Hello everybody, this is NW Jordan coming to you with another video, and today we're going to talk about visiting job sites. Let's get into it. Alright, so today I decided to do something a little bit different and to take you guys with me on a site visit. So today we're going to be visiting a retail outlet. The outlet has approximately 4, maybe 5 businesses. I'm here to check on the empty vacancy and to, see the building itself as well as what's happening inside. And as we can see here, it's a pretty modern retail outlet. You can see the nice columns along the front, just so people can walk up under. You'll see as I pass later, you can see the nice flat roofs with the cupolas. There's 3 cupolas there pulled out to give the facade a little bit of a, upgraded modern touch. This building could have been a box initially that the owner could have upgraded over time. I don't know if that's what had originally happened, but just, looking at the building itself, this building, all it is a rectangular box with 3 cupolas. You can see me driving around here to see what the building is made up and how the job site is. I really don't recommend doing this unless you have permission of the owners, of course. This is a nice, clean establishment here. The building was primarily brick there with the corrugated metal on the rear with the utilities. I'm continuing around the side so you can, get a full view of the building. So nothing special happening out in the back, but we are going to get out here and get a little better of a view. So this space here is approximately 1,800 square feet, which is a lot. You can see the inside with the steel structural beams. On the left side of the screen, you see the almost like a bump out so they can hide the metal structure on the left side of the wall. The right side is just, looks like it's just bare drywall. So you can see they already applied the stucco and cleaned up all their nails. For the most part, it's a pretty nice, clean, spacious job site here. Unfortunately, I won't be showing you the inside there, but you can see the inside from the outside of the space. Overall, it was a pretty nice space, pretty modern, nice little storefront here. Overall, a nice, very modern job site with a metal roofed cupola, a nice canopy, 1,800 square feet, nice storefront with the glazing, nice deep interior space which needs to be finished. Unfortunately, wasn't able to get inside, like I said, but this was mainly just to give you a little bit of a day in the life, a little slice of life on the job site, on the job. So until next time, this is NW Jordan, your host of ArchNation, asking you to subscribe, upvote, follow, and keep doing what you do and learning all you can. Until next time, Nation, signing off.